Welcome to all. Hello friends. Today we discuss conformation. So at first we want to know what is the difference between conformation and configuration. Configuration where the bonds are break, but in case conformation here the single rotation of the isomer, and here without breaking of bond. That is the very important term of conformation. So at first the previous discussion we also discussed how to convert Fisher projection to Newman projection formula and Newman to Schwarz projection formula, but today our discussion is very important as a reason because today we study what is the energy level of the eclipse level, staggered level. So staggered form is more stable or not, we explain in that class. So please listen on that class. The class starts now. So this syllabus is very important for all IIT, JAM, JEE level student and BSc, MSc. So here conformation of acyclic system. So at first we study difference between conformation and configuration. What is the difference? We also discuss in our class, today's class. So here conformation of ethane, then conformation of butane, then our discussed topic is dihedral angle or angular torsion, and then torsional strain, angle strain, everything is discussed today's class. So now at first we discuss changing the configuration of a molecule always means that bonds are broken. The term is very important. That bonds are broken means these are called configuration. So otherwise we can say that changing the conformation of a molecule means rotating about bonds but not breaking. Rotating about bonds but not breaking. These are called conformation. So what is the main difference between configuration and conformation? Configuration, here bond are broken, but in that case conformation, here the rotating about bonds but not breaking. And then we can say that conformation of a molecule readily interconvertible and the same molecule. So here we just discuss one example. Here is hydrogen present and here is methyl. So when we interconvert means this bond is rotation of this bond. So what is the product formation occur here after rotation of here? So here we can easily draw. Here we say that OH is upward on the plane and CN is below the plane and hydrogen is on the plane. So here in that case when we rotate the bond, then hydrogen comes on upward side and OH downside, and then CN on the plane presence and methyl group intact same. So this one is called interconversion. Now we rotate on that bond, single bond, CC bond. Then after rotation, here methyl group is intact same, but only changes on that side. So in that case hydrogen is downward side, hydrogen on that case here on the plane, then hydrogen shifted on that side and CN is present here. So this total phenomena is called conversion, is called configuration, no configuration. And then what is the example of configuration? My question is, what is the example of configuration? So this one is the phenomena of conformation. And in case configuration, here we similarly give one example. Here you let here one methyl CH3 group is present and here one CH3 group is present, but in case explain of the configuration, here we just break the bond, break the two bond. Then after breaking the two bond, CH3H, then we can write now hydrogen is this side and CH3 is this. So what is the changes of that two isomer? Here methyl group is here at the trans configuration, but in that case methyl group is now present cis configuration. These two isomer, when we draw, the two bond is break. So after bond breaking form the new isomer. This one is called configuration. That is the main difference between configuration and conformation. So conformation, here without bond breaking we can draw the structure, we can easily say, but in case configuration, here the bond breaking occur here, then we form the other structure, other compound. Now we discuss configuration of ethane. So in that case ethane, the molecule represented is here. So here two types are possible. So at first we draw the front carbon, so 3 is present here, and then we draw on the similar way back carbon. So 2 hydrogen is placed here, and all case here hydrogen are placed here. That is the forms of eclipsed form. But in other case, when we draw the structure, at first we draw always front carbon. So after drawing of the front carbon atom, then we draw our back carbon. So this one is our back carbon and back hydrogen, which attach on the back carbon, this hydrogen. So this one we call staggered form. So we previous discuss on that case. Here in case back carbon, and here when we see on that side, then our front carbon is this and our back carbon is this. So in case of front carbon, here 3 hydrogen easily present here. So in that sequence our back carbon is here. So this thing is happen in this Newman projection formula. So this one is the eclipse conformation. So here this one is the eclipse conformation. So when we draw the staggered conformation, so we can easily draw here this hydrogen, this hydrogen, this hydrogen. But here these two are opposite. These two are opposite. Here this one is up, here this one is down. This one is called staggered. So when we view on that point, so our front carbon is here and our back carbon is there. So this one is the most stable. Here not present any repulsion, but in that case 2 hydrogen is present on the nearest. So here the steric repulsion is present. So the energy is high, we can say that. We draw here, that is the main Newman projection eclipse form. So now we label this hydrogen HA. Now we just rotate 60-degree angle. So we know that our front carbon is fixed. So when we rotate 60-degree angle, this HA is shifted. So HA is present here, but now we can rotate, front carbon is fixed, 3 hydrogen are fixed. So our HA is present now on that position, and H. So A is done just for label, 60-degree rotate. So then now 60-degree rotate, our formation of the bond front carbon is same. So now this HA is shifted here, we can easily say. Now 60-degree rotation is occur here. So at front carbon 3 hydrogen is present, remains same, and then the hydrogen is shifted here, but HA is now shifted, back carbon of HA on that position. So now 60-degree rotation is occur here. So in that case 3 front carbon is same here, hydrogen. Now we also discuss, now the HA is shifted here. So now rotate 60-degree angle. 3H is present, and on that case HA. Now HA is shifted here. So what is the case is happened here? My question. So in that case, here this HA is shifted here. This HA is shifted here when you 60-degree rotate. So this HA is shifted here. On that case, this HA is shifted here when you rotate 60-degree angle, and this HA is shifted here when you rotate 60-degree angle. So this HA is shifted here. So we can easily say that what is the stable conformation? My question is, what conformation is, what conformer is very stable? So in that case, at first we draw the structure individual. So we know that this one is eclipsed. So now we labeled, this one is 1 and this one is a staggered 2, this one is a eclipsed form 3, this one is a staggered form 4, 5, 6, this one is 7. Now we draw the energy diagram of every conformer. Now we draw at first the energy diagram. So in that case, we just draw the scale is here. So our dihedral angle, this one is our dihedral angle, and this one upward side, here the relative energy. Relative energy is upward side. So what is the dihedral angle? What is the difference of dihedral angle? So here at first the one is present here. So this one is very unstable. So our curve, this one is the level, maximum level. So the graph is decreases because in that case here repulsion present, but in that case here the repulsion is decreases due to the presence of far up to hydrogen atom and all hydrogen atom. So here the energy graph is decreases, but in that case here the energy gap, here the energy increases because the structure converts staggered to eclipsed form. 3 hydrogen or 2 hydrogen are near, 2, 2, 2. So in that case steric repulsion is present here. On that 3 hydrogen suffers steric interaction. So in that case the energy increases. Now this one is staggered, so the energy level decreases, but this one is now eclipsed, so similarly way increases, and this one is a staggered conformation, similarly way decreases, and this one is a eclipse conformation, similarly way increases. So now we can say that this graph is complete, but where we place the all isomer, so here 1 is present on the upward position on the graph because the energy is very high, and 2 in case here the energy level decreases of energy, the compound is more stable, staggered conformation. So here 2 is present here, and 3 here, the 3 is we place here, and 4 here the staggered conformer, so 4 is present here, and 5 now 5 is present, 5 increases the repulsion, so 5 and 6 and here 7 we can easily say. So now 2 is present here, 4, 6. So now we discuss the angle of this angle. So this one is a 60-degree angle. So this one is a 120-degree angle, means 60 plus 60, 120-degree angle. And now we discuss here. So 120 plus 60, 180-degree angle, and now here 180 plus 60 means 240-degree angle is here, but here 240 plus 60, so here 300 angle, and here in that case 300 plus 60 means 360-degree angle is here. So the angle, dihedral angle versus relative energy, the curve is present here. So dihedral angle is when we changes the front carbon is here, 3 hydrogen is here. So now in case eclipse form, all hydrogen is here, so the angle between the two carbon adjacent center of the two hydrogen, this angle is called dihedral angle. So in that case the graph is complete. So we can easily say that staggered conformation had lower energy. So here total 1, 2, 3 staggered conformer are present. So total we get 3 low energy graph, and here eclipse form is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 isomer are present here. So we can easily explain the graph. We discuss the conformation of butane. So in case butane, the structure is here. So at first we see on this side, our view on this side. See, so now according to this Newman projection formula, at first we draw this structure convert in Newman projection formula. So here at first we draw the eclipse form of the structure. So now in case eclipse form, and then we draw the staggered conformation. So when we see on this side, so now our one methyl group is present here, one hydrogen is present here, then our first carbon is complete, and then our back carbon is here. So back carbon case, hydrogen, methyl is present here. So now our back conformation is complete, and this one is called our eclipse case, and our staggered case CH3, this one our staggered conformation. We can easily draw this. 2 methyl group is anti-position, and here 2 methyl group is suffer repulsion. So this one is more stable. This one we call the staggered conformation. Now we draw the energy diagram. So now we easily draw the energy conformation. This one is a Newman, our eclipse form. So 60 degree rotate. So this methyl goes down. So now we can easily say that front carbon is same. So this hydrogen CH3 methyl. We just explain here methyl, and then this methyl comes on that position. So hydrogen, and then we rotate 60 degree angle. So when we rotate 60 degree angle, then our structure front carbon is same, hydrogen, methyl, and this methyl is now present here. This one our structure, and then we rotate 60 degree angle. So this methyl comes on down, this methyl comes on this side. So hydrogen, methyl, and then our back carbon, hydrogen, methyl is present here, and then we rotate 60 degree angle. Then our methyl group shifted towards the left side. So the front carbon is same, hydrogen, methyl. Then our methyl is present here now. Now this hydrogen. So now we rotate the structure 60 degree rotation. So this methyl now comes this side. So our front carbon we fixed here. Then our methyl group, in that case our methyl group is present here. So when we rotate 60 degree angle, then this hydrogen, methyl group present, then our methyl group shifted on there. So methyl group is there, hydrogen. So these two one are similar, same structure. So all conformer we rotate 60 degree angle, and every cases here the methyl group shifted here 60 degree by the rotation of 60 degree rotation. This methyl comes here, this methyl comes here, and then this methyl comes here, this methyl is present here, this methyl is present here. So we can easily say that the energy graph. Now we draw the energy curve. So here total case, in that case here this one is 1 eclipsed, this one is 2 staggered, this one is 3 eclipsed, and this one is 4 staggered, this one is 5, this one is 6, this one is 7. So now we just draw the at first the reaction coordinate. Now when we draw our this graph, dihedral angle versus their relative energy. So here at first our maximum point is here, you also draw, and then our 1 is present here, so the graph is decreases, but in that case staggered conformation stable, so stagger is present here. Now we also draw our this eclipse form, so the graph is increases but not more high, not more cross the this eclipse form, because here two methyl are far close, but here two methyl are far, this 2,1 is not present, these two methyl group are not present on the nearest position, this 2,1 is the gap is very high, but in that case they are close together, so here the repulsion is high. But staggered from after draw the staggered conformation, then after draw we eclipse conformation, this gap is very high, so this graph is not comes this barrier of the previous eclipse. So now we draw this staggered conformation. So in that case this staggered conformation, these are very stable because two methyl group are present on anti-conformation. So due to the presence of that anti-conformation, so this graph is more decreases. Now then we draw this structure, so we can easily say that here two methyl hydrogen interaction are present here, and here methyl hydrogen interaction present here, but in that case same. So these two 3 and 4 we can easily say that same energy level, so now we just increase, this 2,1 is same, but we draw here the methyl group are present here, so we say that 2 and 6 are similarly same energy, because here two methyl group is present here, but here two methyl group is present here, so we can say that 2 and 6, these 2 and these 6 are same, so 2 and 4 are same, and 2 and 6 are same energy level, but here these 3 and this one are same energy level, 3 and 5. So the graph is increases here, now the graph decreases, so now increases because due to the presence of the eclipse formation. So but here now we placed simply way on that graph, so the 1 is present on that position, 1, because the repulsion is more high, so due to the presence of the repulsion the energy is more high, and then 2 is present here, this one is represent 2 because two methyl group are less interaction is here, but this one is 3 here eclipse form, repulsion increases, hydrogen methyl, and in case 4 this one is more stable because the staggered conformation, two methyl is anti, and here methyl hydrogen interaction, so these two structures are same, this one and this one, so here 4, 5 is present here, and then in case 6 here 2 methyl, so 6 and 2 are similarly same because two methyl group is present on that pattern, so here two methyl group is present on that pattern, so here dihedral angle, two dihedral angle are same, so in that case we just replace here 6, but in that case 7, so 7 and 1 is same, so this barrier increases and then 2 are same, so this one is 7, but now the graph is completed, so we can easily say that 2 and 6 are same energy level, and then we can discuss here only 1 and 7 have same energy level, 1 and 7 have same energy level. Then we can discuss here 2 and 6, 1 and 7, and then 5 and 3 have same energy level on this graph. So we can easily say that every interaction, all interaction is complete with the graph. Now we just draw the angle, dihedral angle. So this one is 60 degree angle. We know that this one is 120 degree angle. So plus 60. This one is 180 degree angle, and this one is 240 degree angle, and this one is 300, and this one is 360 degree angle. So the total angle is complete. This one is 0 degree angle, dihedral angle. So the graph is complete. So we can easily say that staggered conformation is the more stable conformer. This one is the more stable, and this 2-1 is high energy, this 2-1, because due to the presence of the repulsion. Now some definition is very important. What is the torsional angle? What is the term of torsional angle? Strain developed in a molecule by bond pair repulsion one of each carbon atom of a CC single bond may be called torsional angle. So we can say that the greater the torsional strain, lower the stability of a conformation, vice versa. Now we discuss dihedral angle. Phi, it can denoted by phi. The angle between hydrogen on the nearer carbon atom and hydrogen on the further carbon atom in the plane of the paper is called dihedral angle of angular torsion. So this angular form dihedral angle, this one is the Newman projection formula. So this one is the dihedral angle are called, we can easily say that.